Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you another torch that we sell on our website. That's what's inside the box. USB cable. This is a mix of aluminium and ABS plastic. So we have a cob light on the side, torch at the front, we have a power button, the usual high, low and strobe. Then we have a side light of the cob. How cool is that? Check this out. Very nice. One more click and it's off. High, low, red and flashing red. As you can see it on the video. It can be zoom in and zoom out by unscrewing and screwing the top of the lamp. And it comes as well with a micro USB port for charging and a full size USB to top up your mobile phone in case of emergency. That's all guys. As usual, you can find this product on our website at lightconcept.co.uk. The description will be in the link. Thank you very much again, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.